Hey there, welcome back to Laser Focus Solutions Media. Christopher Gowin, and tonight we're going to talk to you about another day in life as a home repair handyman guy. If you hear some noise in the background crackling, we got some neighbors setting off some fireworks, having a little good time. So hopefully they're all being safe. So today we returned on a Saturday. We did 3 jobs today. First job, we returned to a client's house to install a grab bar, hang 2 pictures. Second job, we went and repaired a gutter. While we were up there, we went ahead and cleaned it out, repaired a soffit, I'm sorry. While we were up there, cleaned the gutter out. And then the third client we went ahead and put together an exercise bike, a repeat customer again. So those were the 3 jobs that we did. And we went ahead and we started the day off with a dump trailer. And I say dumped trailer, not like a dump truck trailer. I'm talking about dumped, as in like I drove too fast yesterday trying to get around town and I tossed everything inside. So let that be a lesson to you that sometimes in life you just have to slow down, breathe, take it in, and go with it, right? So it was a little bit discouraging to open the trailer door and see a lot of our bins were dumped. I very rarely ever go with that type of aggression. I don't even want to use the word aggression, but it came to mind. But I took one turn in particular a little bit faster than I usually do with the trailer behind it. Um, and unfortunately, I paid the price. So again, let that be a lesson to you. So tomorrow is my birthday, July 7th. I'll be 45 years old tomorrow. So tomorrow I plan on doing a little bit of nothing, but at the same time, a lot of reflecting. So, I think about it and I'm like, wow, I just went over one of my repeat clients' homes today that has been in my life for many, many years since my daughter was born, and she's 27. And she was sharing a story of how she's going to retire now at 34 years of being at the bank. And that's phenomenal. I mean, what a testament to her and her commitment to her family and her career and herself. And I'm so extremely proud to know her as a woman and as a friend and as a mom. I consider her a mom for sure. Um, what was discouraging about her story was the why she was retiring at 34 years. She had said to me that she wanted to get to 35, and it just has gotten so hard to make it through a day there because of all the changes that are going on and such. And it's why I left my corporate job. And I feel like that's happening so much more in our situation of in the world that we're in today, and it is a concern. What is it about these larger businesses that they can't quite grasp the human side of the job, right? And I'm not saying, overpay or special privileges are needed. I'm simply saying make it tolerable for the employee and make it so where they feel like they're part of something and they're buying into something and they're believing in something. And that seems to be a lost art in today's world, where in today's world, everything is tangible, everybody's replaceable, and loyalty seems to be gone. And that concerns me, which is why I started Laser Focus Solutions to begin with. I bet on myself. I hedged. I started this business with nothing. I started this business after a divorce, and needing to get out of that divorce. I had to make a decision on what I was going to do, and that was this very decision. So, you know, um, not everybody has the desire to be an entrepreneur, though. There are workers, and we need workers in this world that want to be a part of something, and we can't continue to have our workers lose faith in these companies and in these owners. And I feel like we got to get this right. We get it together. It's our time to take this chance to bring back the old school style of just bonding and rapporting with your employees and treating them like human beings and like people, and letting them get to that 35-year mark of retirement like they deserve and they've earned. It's very discouraging, and I was on Facebook just scrolling as well, and there was a gentleman who I follow, Lumberjack Landlord, is a great follow. If you don't know him, check him out. I highly recommend it. He's built quite um, a portfolio of rental properties up north, and I've followed him now for quite a few years on YouTube. And I just recently started following him on Facebook, and he put a post that really kind of touches right to this subject, to where he retired so many months ago, and not one employee has reached out to him since his retirement. Not one. So it just goes to show you that you got to really take care of yourself and your family, and all those extra hours that you sacrifice and you dedicate and you put into, I'm not saying they don't matter. They do, but not to them. Do you know what I mean? And that's such a concern for me. Like, come on, America, let's get it together. Come on, world, let's get it together. So I'm going to end on that. That's my rant, a tangent, whatever you want to call it. But I mean, I believe there's a lot we can do together as a world, and we got to get it right for our younger generation for sure. This is the next workforce. We're passing batons. We're teaching people at a younger age, and skilled labor is coming. It's scarce. In a world of computers and technology and also like that, they're removing jobs left and right. And where the demand is right now is with these using your hands, right? But you got to use this too. It's got to kind of correlate. It's got to go together. So that's all I got for tonight. Like I said, tomorrow's my birthday, 45. Happy to be here. Peace.